Okay, alright, we got Frank cooking our fish. Fish and chips is what we got. They're looking pretty good here. Now, the only thing the camera don't have is smell. And it smells pretty good for fish. Here's everything he's been putting on it. When they caught the, you can see the red snapper, you can see it's a big size fish. Our hush puppies. And then I'm going to come back here and show the kingfish. I shouldn't have opened it up, but I did. I won't leave it open, and that's the kingfish. And it has can't remember the name of it. That's the reason I'm making it. It has that stuff right there. Pesto, P-E-S-T-O on it.